The village was small and very quiet. It was far away from the big cities. In this village, there was a girl named Anna. Anna was very beautiful, but she could not see. She was blind. She lived in a small house with her mother and father. Every day, Anna sat under a big apple tree. She listened to the birds and felt the warm sun on her face. One sunny morning, a young man came to the village. His name was Leo. Leo was a teacher. The government sent him to this village to teach the children for 2 years. He had a kind face and a very soft voice. On his first day, Leo saw Anna under the tree. He walked to her and said, "Hello, my name is Leo. I'm the new teacher." Anna smiled. She could not see his face, but she liked his voice. It sounded like music. "Hello, Leo," she said. "I am Anna." Leo began to teach at the village school. Anna was one of his students. She was very clever. Leo taught her many things. He read books to her. He described the colors of the flowers. He told her about the blue sky and the green mountains. Anna did not use her eyes to see Leo. She used her heart. She felt his kindness. When he walked into the room, she felt happy. When he spoke, she felt safe. Leo also liked Anna very much. He liked her smile and her strong spirit. Slowly, they fell in love. It was a very deep and pure love. Leo visited Anna's house every evening. Anna's parents were very happy. They were old, and they worried about Anna's future. But when they saw Leo, they felt peace. Leo helped them with the garden. He fixed the roof of their house. He sat with them and drank tea. "You are like a son to us," Anna's father said one night. Leo smiled and held Anna's hand. "I love Anna very much," he said. "I want to take care of her forever." The 2 years in the village were the happiest years of their lives. They walked in the woods together. Leo held her hand so she would not fall. He told her about the world. Anna felt his love in every word. She did not need eyes to know that Leo was a good man. She could feel his soul. But the 2 years were ending. Leo's duty in this village was almost over. He had to go to 3 more villages to teach. It was his job. He could not stay yet. The day of Leo's departure arrived. The sky was gray and sad. Anna stood by the apple tree. Her eyes had tears, even though she could not see the road. Leo held her closely. "Anna, please listen to me," he said. "I must go now. I have to teach in 3 more villages. It will take some time, but I promise you, when I finish my duty, I will come back. I will come back, and we will get married. We will never be apart again." Anna cried quietly. "I will wait for you, Leo. I don't care how long it takes. My heart belongs to you." Leo hugged her parents. "Take care of her," he whispered. He gave Anna a small silver ring. "Keep this," he said. "It is a sign of my promise." Leo walked away. He looked back many times. Anna stood there, still and silent, listening to his footsteps until they disappeared. She believed him. She knew he was a man of his word. Leo went to the other villages. He worked hard and wrote letters to Anna every week. But then, something terrible happened. A great war began in the country. Bad men, called the intruders, came to the village where Leo was working. They were angry and violent. They did not want the children to learn from the government. They arrested Leo. "You are a teacher," the leader of the intruders said. "You will not go home. You will stay here and teach our children. If you try to run away, we will hurt you." Leo was a prisoner. He was in a village far away, surrounded by soldiers and mountains. He could not go back to Anna. He could not even send a message. The world became dark for him. He was trapped. Back in Anna's village, the war made life difficult. Food was scarce, but Anna was not afraid of the hunger. She was afraid for Leo. She did not hear from him. 1 month passed, then 6 months, then a year. People in the village said, "Anna, forget him. He is probably dead. The war is very bad." But Anna shook her head. "No," she said. "He is alive. I can feel his heart. He promised to come back, and he will." In the village where Leo was a prisoner, he lived in the house of a powerful man, the master. The master had a daughter named Maya. Maya liked Leo. She thought he was handsome and smart. She wanted Leo to love her. She told him, "Forget your old life. The war will never end. Stay here with me. I can give you a good life." But Leo said, "I cannot love you, Maya. My heart is with a girl in a small village far away. I'm waiting to go back to her." Maya became angry and jealous. Every month, Leo wrote a letter to Anna. He begged the master to send them. The master gave the letters to Maya to mail them, but Maya did not mail them. She took the letters to the garden and burned them. She watched the smoke and smiled. "If she does not hear from him, she will forget him," Maya thought. "And then Leo will be mine." Leo waited for 8 years. 8 long, painful years. He taught children during the day, and at night, he looked at the stars and thought of Anna. He was thin and tired, but his love was still strong. He never stopped writing, and Maya never stopped burning his letters. After 8 years, the war finally ended. The master became very sick and died. The intruders lost their power and ran away. The soldiers left the village. Leo was finally free. Maya came to him. She was crying. "Leo, please stay," she begged. "I love you." Leo looked at her. He saw the ashes of his letters in her room. He realized what she had done. He did not yell. He only felt a great sadness for her. "You took my words, but you could not take my love," Leo said. He did not take anything with him. He only took his walking stick and began to walk. He walked through the mountains. He walked through the burned fields. His shoes were old and broken, but he did not stop. He was 8 years older, and his hair was turning gray, but his heart was the same as the day he left. He thought, "Is she still there? Is she married to someone else? Does she think I am dead?" The fear was like a cold wind, but he kept walking. It took Leo many days to reach the village. When he arrived, the village looked different. Some houses were gone. The trees were taller. He walked to the small house at the end of the road. He saw the big apple tree. Under the tree, woman was sitting. She was older, but she was still beautiful. She was knitting a sweater. Leo stopped. He could not breathe. Anna, he whispered. Anna froze. She dropped her knitting. She stood up slowly. She turned her head, listening. She heard the wind, but then she heard a sound she knew in her soul. She heard the sound of his breath. Leo, she asked. Her voice was trembling. Leo ran to her. He took her hands. I am here, Anna. I am so sorry. It took 8 years. I was a prisoner. I wrote to you every month, but... Anna put her hand on his face. She felt his skin, his nose, his eyes. She felt the tears on his cheeks. I knew, she said softly. I never stopped waiting. I felt you every day. The letters didn't come, but your love never left this garden. And his parents came out of the house. They were very old now. When they saw Leo, they cried and hugged him. Our son has come home, they shouted. A week later, the village had a big celebration. There was no more war. There was only music and joy. Leo and Anna got married under the apple tree. Leo put a gold ring on her finger next to the old silver one. He promised to never leave again. Anna smiled, and for the first time in 8 years, the world felt bright. She still could not see the sun with her eyes, but with Leo by her side, she had all the light she ever needed.